So she's back. The girl who went cold, stopped replying, left you on red for a week and made you question your entire existence. Suddenly she's in your messages like nothing happened. Hey, how you have been? And your heart does that stupid little jump. Here's where it goes dangerous. The next 48 hours decide everything. Most men blow it in the first 10 minutes because the moment she comes back, relief takes over and they do the exact thing that sends her cold again. Let's make sure you are not one of them. Here's what to do and what absolutely not to. Don't act like nothing happened, but don't interrogate her either. The two traps. Trap 1. You are so relieved she's back you pretend the silence never occurred. Instantly warm and available like a golden retriever who forgot it was ever left outside. That tells her she can vanish anytime with zero consequence. Trap 2. You go the other way, demanding answers. Where did you go? Why did you ignore me? Now you look insecure and rattled, which is the opposite of what pulled her back. Do neither. Match her energy exactly. Warm but unbothered. Present but not pouncing. Like you genuinely barely noticed she was gone because your life kept moving. And the next part is where it really gets won or lost. Do make her invest before you pour anything back in. When she went cold, you were doing all the work. So when she comes back and you immediately flood her with attention again, you have taught her nothing changed. Minimum effort still buys your maximum. Flip it. Let her carry the conversation. Let her ask the questions. Let her suggest meeting up. You stay warm and engaged, but you don't sprint back to doing all the lifting. She came back for a reason. Make her actually show up for it instead of handing it over for free the second she resurfaces. Don't be available the instant she wants you. She texts at 11 p.m. after a week of silence and you reply in 4 seconds. You just told her you have been sitting there waiting the whole time. Brutal. Not because you should play dumb games, but because a man with a full life doesn't drop everything the moment she reappears. Reply when it's natural. Let there be a beat. Not strategic punishment, just the honest rhythm of a man who has other things going on. The contrast between her week of silence and your calm, unhurried return tells her everything words can't. If her going cold and bouncing back has your head spinning, I wrote a free handbook on exactly how this pattern works. It's called Why She Pulls Away, and it teaches you the hidden psychology of attraction and how to stop getting ghosted. It is in the description and it is completely free. Do stay the same man she came back to find. This is the whole thing. She came back because some version of you stuck in her head. The grounded one, the one who didn't fall apart when she left. So whatever you do, don't morph into a needy, grateful, walking on eggshells version now she's here. The fastest way to lose her again is to act like her coming back was a favor that you have to repay. It wasn't. Stay exactly who you were before she left. Same ease, same warmth, same unbothered center. The instant she senses you are a smaller man now, she will leave again. Steadiness is the entire reason she returned. So when she slides back in like nothing happened, stay calm. Match her energy. Don't exceed it. Make her invest. Don't be instantly available. And above all, stay the exact man she came back to find. If you do all these things, she will not just come back, she will stop leaving. If you found this video informational, consider subscribing. I am dating ASAP, class dismissed.